To make these prawn balls, I'm taking 4 slices of white bread and I'm just cutting the crusts off. And then we're going to cut them in half. And this piece we're going to be cutting into 4. So we're cutting the pieces of bread so they're small like that, about 1/2 centimetre by 1/2 centimetre, and just cut all the bread up. I'm using green prawns to do this. I've got 280 grams of prawns. And now I'm just taking my mallet and putting it onto a piece of greaseproof paper and smashing them down. And then just put those into a bowl and just do all the prawns like that. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to just be using my little garlic crusher and crushing them up. So it's quite nicely crushed. I'm just going to add that to the prawns. To the prawn mixture, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken powder, a cupful of Chinese wine, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of corn flour, and then we just mix that all together. And now we're going to take a handful and we're just going to squeeze so we get a little ball that comes out like that. And we're going to put those into the bread that we just cut up. And do all of them like that. To deep fry them, I'm using a large wok and I've poured 1 litre of oil in there. And now I'm just heating it up. I'm just using a wooden chopstick to check the oil temperature. So if there are bubbles, as you can see, the oil's ready. So now we can add some of the bread will come off. And then just cook them until they're golden brown, which doesn't take very long. I've got a plate that's got some paper on it, and just take them out. And then just fry all of them. So there you have the most beautiful prawn balls. They're so delicious. I could eat them all myself, but I've got to keep some for my family. They're really worth trying.